Hey guys, what's going on? It's GP here, and welcome back to Turbo Dismount. Now, like I said with a few of my other series this week, this is probably going to be one of the last episodes you see from Turbo Dismount for a while until I go on hiatus, because Spooky Games October is here, and this doesn't really fit the spooky theme, so to be fair, Among Us was supposed to go up today, but I decided to swap it around with Turbo Dismount. Once more, this game got swapped around. Well, that's fine. Let's just hop right in already, why don't we? Actually, we can make it, spooky themed. I didn't mean to do that. Right, pretty certain what I'm looking for isn't in there. So, let's just go ahead and jump into the custom levels, because I know you guys don't want to delay. I don't want to delay. Let's just see how many we can get done today, hopefully a good amount. So, last one we did was Caution Roadwork Ahead. Busted and Car Volcano were crazy too. So next up is Crash-tastic. Read the description. There's no description for it. We're gonna do it anyways. Alright, let's see what we have. Oh my. Can my computer handle this level? Barely. Right, this is what I was looking to do. Give me a moment. There we go. Perfect for Halloween. I think we're just gonna drive. I know I was talking about Car Volcano before crashing my game, but I think this one will actually kill my computer if I am not careful. Oh my lord. Oh, I'm on pins and needles right now for what is about to happen. My computer can barely hold this up. What's about to happen? A crash, that's about to happen. It's gonna be okay for the most part. Oh. We're gonna reset this before any harm happens to us. Oh, maybe I should have read that description before. Okay, wait. At the start, we're fine. So let's go. That's not very fast. We want this thing to go fast, don't we? Okay. There we go, full speed. Let's go. Let's just try to get through this at least. No, we're not! Where are we? We are right here. Oh my. Oh my stars. The rate that we are falling at. I am speechless. Oh my, there goes our car. Do I dare wait this out to see what happens? Bunch of cars are coming to a stop. It's even causing all... That's what's causing all this slowness. Oh my. You know what? I don't even think we need to hit those. I think that's enough of this course. Alright. So Crash-tastic, yeah. Crash. We'll literally crash your game. Alright, that being said, next course. Alright, so we're doing Danger Street next. Sounds pretty enticing. Okay, this looks much better than Crash-tastic. Definitely probably not going to do that anymore. Ah, such nice graphics. Okay, so what obstacles can we set up? Okay, how about we do this then? Actually, no. Let's just go through it normally. Every time we start, let's just do it normally. Nothing bad could happen to us on Danger Street, right? Ooh! I actually almost made it through. Ah! Is my head even connected to my body right now? I don't know. It doesn't look like it is. Sure to cause some carnage as well behind us. Alright. I dare say a solid start to that then. Right, now let's try out this. I want to see what happens here. See the slightly different outcome we're gonna have. We're gonna make it over for certain. Ouch. We only lost a leg. I don't really see the big deal here. Success! Right. What else can we put down here? Let's go for a brake pad for just straight up carnage this time. Just total destruction. Let's go. Oh wait, we clear it, don't we? Yeah, that's right. How about instead we take that away and we make this a brake pad. We've been very lucky with the trains. Let's actually get hit by them for once. Ooh! Back half is just annihilated. Okay. This is a very nice course. Simple, straightforward. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's remove this though. And let's do another car. Start with, because everybody likes to see what happens with this one, so let's do it. I just got shredded like cheese! I just got shredded like cheese! Oh man! I need a replay. Yeah, I got a pumpkin. I just got turned into squash. Just got squashed. Oh! Oh my! Just got railed! Right, and yes, because I gotta do it, the bus has become one of my favorites. It's official now. Let's see what happens when a train hits us. I've never seen a train hit this bus, ever. And I don't think we ever will. Ooh, we'll get rammed by that truck, though. Yikes. Sorry, guys. Right, let's actually try to get by the train this time. I'll try putting the brake pad down there again. Yeah, we need the brake pad. We got hit by another bus. There it goes! Toppled over at last. That's just what I was wanting to see. I'm still gonna try to get hit by the train, though. Oh, at long last, I finally came to see what I wanted from this bus. It only took enough of a hit. What exactly happened, though? It just broke apart. That's all that happened. It just broke apart. Like, seriously. It just all collapsed. That is really satisfying to watch, though. Oddly satisfying, if you guys know what I mean. Just watching it. You guys know what I mean? No? Maybe not. Alright, let's get by this train already. Spoink! Alright. So now... Yeah, I don't look okay. I look like a string. And yet somehow the bus's double-decker stays up from that, but it just suddenly collapses after touching another bus. Well, I'm not going to question it too much. Danger Street. Definitely a really nice course. But that being said, next course! Right, this next one is called Daredevils Jump. I think I can see why. The bus is already broken? Wait a second. What just happened here? Interesting. Oh, it is a Daredevils Jump. Right. Let's just do one with the bus then. Let's just pad it up. Oh no. My thing's already starting to lag. Oh my word. Right. Let's hope we don't crash. My bus stalled. What is this? Like, why is it... Just blew up right there. Let's try, this then. What? Wait, there's a glitch. That's still there. Hold up. How many of these? I'm gonna try some out real quick. That one works just fine. Ranger? I think after a while it stopped, but you can have multiple there, which is kind of cool. Not going to lie. Oh, this thing's going a bit crazy. Right, so let's, you know what, let's just go for space. Never mind, our spaceship blew up. And we've already lost a limb. Is it just me, or is this getting laggier by the second? We'll go with the race car. Once we get all this debris off. Oh my god, yeah, get all the debris off. Okay. Now let's try it. Daredevils Jump, let's go! No way. We made it first try. We are stuck to the car, but we made it first try. Okay. Right, let's try all these good cars that are good for this. Mine should be good for this. At least I hope it is. Oh yeah, we're making it, folks. Slam dunk. And the splitter too. Ow. That's a big owie, man. What else would be really good at making this jump? The bike, maybe. Let's give it a shot. Because I would like to see some carnage ensue as well. Oh no! Just missed it! Oh my. We are so dead. Whee! Did I do that? Whoopsie. My bad. Oh. The cars are like confetti. Okay, okay, that's enough of that. What else, what else, what else? This one. Let's go. Leap of faith. Oh yeah, this is seamless. Or so we thought! Oh man. Oh yeah, we get it. Absolute, total annihilation, destruction. You know what? Let's where's the here? Let's use the bird. This is obviously not going to work, and that's why I'm trusting. And splat. The truck just ramped off of the bird. I need a replay of that. Hold up a second. Yes, go back, please. We go splat. Can we watch this truck though? Just gone. Holy whoa. Okay. Well, Daredevils Jump. Definitely really good. Doesn't look like there's as much crash potential as Crash-tastic, fortunately, but it is still got a few kinks to be worked out. Alright, so that was pretty nice. Next course! This one is called Deep in Your Mind. Indeed, this is deep in my mind. What is actually happening? Right, I'ma just go for that. Yeah? We good, game? We cool? Yeah. Let's pull off a stunt. Why don't we? This should go swell, right? Where are we going? Oh. my days. Are these just infinite roads up? Okay, it doesn't look like they're infinite. I just emerged, like, just gone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna restart that one. So what path are we taking? Not a straight one, that's for certain. There we go. I don't know straight roads popular, but oh, bye bye. I just got the elitist. Oof. Oh my word. Well, my pumpkin head is still fine. Oh. I'm sorry, I don't think I'll be... Oh, I could have got the high score there. Well, my mistake. Which one do we go with this time? Ah, yes. To space! Let's do this! To space! The final frontier! Death! Oh, jeez. I just went splatter. Yep, this does look like a steep in my mind. It's definitely falling apart the way it would. Just wow. I don't know what drove me to use this, but let's do it. Because this course is absolutely crazy. I just got squished. Straight up squished. Right, how about instead of the big ramp and just making collision immediately, let's actually try to jump out and see what's out here deep in our mind. If we can even see anything. Okay, I see. It's just straight up death anyways. Understandable, have a nice day. Okay. Now, we've got to try for mine. Actually, I wonder what happens if we put down the big ramp. They're just driving through it like it's nothing. Well, one-way ticket to the throes of my mind and death and despair. Yep. That's about what I expected. Ouch. So, yeah, this is definitely deep in my mind now, I suppose. These courses are always absolutely crazy. But I'm delaying too much. Next course! Right, so this one is called Destroy the House. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this. It's set to manual steering only. Did not mean to go for a different pose. Let me see. Oh my. Yes. Just everything yes. We will make this work. We will absolutely make this work. Oh, this is gonna be the best. Alright, first contender is gonna be us in our vehicle. Of course, we have the manual steering again, so let's see how this works. We crashed at the ramp. Splendid. Take two. Take three. Come on, I know I can at least do it once with my car. Oh. Okay. Minute damage. As in very minute. This looks like a prison. Not even a house. Right. Sucks vehicle. Okay. We're gonna bash it in. I'm only gonna go for a select few vehicles this time and not several takes. Unless it ultimately fails. I've never steered this thing before. Oh dear jeez. I have never steered this hunk of a vehicle before. Okay. Come on. Wrong direction! How are you supposed to steer this? Will just drive itself? For the most part, it looks like it. Yay! Destroying the house! Okay, the bus isn't gonna work. Let's go for something that I know will. Oh yeah. Do it! Yeah! Consider yourself destroyed. That's what I'm talking about. I knew Monster Truck would be the best contender here. I wonder if I can get that impact now. Yep, goes up that. I could have probably just done this with the bus, couldn't I have? Well, regardless, impact. Woo! The house was holding back, but I said no. You're going with me. Man. Truly just epic. Right, real quick, I gotta try with the bus one more time. I feel like it will do some damage. I just have to put on the right course is all. Okay, never mind. It's never gonna work. Let me see. Next vehicle to use. Obviously, we gotta use this. How's it gonna be to steer this thing, though? Okay, pretty simple. And I hit the ramp again. Right, okay. How about we remove these middle ramps then? I've got the big dumb trying to do this. Looks like we're just gonna go straight, pretty much. Alright, I don't even need to do anything. Let it steer itself. And just plow through. This is the most logical sense. Obviously. Alright, we just mowed straight through it. Alright, let's do two more. I want to try the bus so bad here. Let's go for the crane though. This one should definitely be interesting. Oh, here we go. Bang! Knock it down like a house of cards. Oh, we took some beams with us. I think aside from the monster truck, that's the most destruction we've done so far. Very, very nice. So there's two more I want to do. Which, of course, one of them is the bus, actually. Alright, let's see if this will work now that there are no ramps in our way. There we go! The bus is totaled, and the house... Ooh. Some really good damage. Right, enough delaying. This is the last one. I've stayed here for too long. But I really wanted to get this in. Oh, this should be awesome. I'm gonna have to come back here with the quad fighters eventually as well. Fire! Wow. That's all one cannonball did? Right, we'll come back here with the jugger and the quad fighter. Definitely a fun course though, for certain. But, next course! I'm a little worried. Next one is called Dyson Slice. And I see why. This is not going to be very much fun for me, is it now? Okay, let's add these turbo pads. This ramp. Okay, where's our car? We have to do this. Right. Jump. And slice! Oh! Yeah! I got diced and sliced alright, that's for certain. Oh man. Can I get a close-up of that action? Whew. No thank you. Ugh. Snow plows. Oh my goodness. Okay. So is that. Let's go for the fastest vehicle now. Let's see how this turns out. Probably gonna be worse. No! It ejected me! It ejected and protected and knew what was gonna happen to me. Okay, one new inventory my item, sure. Oh, but it was actually nice. He ejected and protected. Thank you. Alright, now it's time for me to die again. Prepare to die. I actually think the car's gonna get totaled. I think I should be safe like this. What? There are these tiny little... Oh, I get it. You're supposed to hit those too. I didn't see those at all. All I saw was a fan. I've been jumping through those the entire time. If that's the case, then let's go with... I think, again... Again with the bus. I think it's a good contender for this one, though. Oh. All I do is really catchy. They don't really break you up. Huh. I thought it would have broken you. That's why I used it. I thought it would have been perfect to get sliced through like that, you know? Which one will work then? Maybe this one? Our other bus? Let's see. Oh! Well, it got shredded by the cars, that's for certain, but not these. Okay, pretty destructive. Pretty interesting. Don't quite get the deal of those middle parts. I'll have to come back to it again at some point. But, final course! Let's see what we've got. I am immediately scared. It is called Dislocation. Dislocation. Huh. Well, what have we got? Yeah, that looks about right. I don't even see... Right, let's just do this normally. Where's our car again? Here we go. Right, so let's see here then. Okay. Don't quite understand the name Dislocation. But I suppose I can try. Let me see. Oh, maybe that's why. Let's try jumping off these pyramids. Oh! I think that was more than dislocation. I'm gonna be completely real here. I'm pretty certain that was not just a dislocation. Ouch! Let's go with fast car. Let's go. Oh my. Hey, we're fine. For the most part. Alright, that was quick. I'm just flying through them at this point. Why don't we use this? We never use this, and it is a pretty solid vehicle. Alright, here we go. Jumping off the pyramid. No, don't ditch me! Oh. Well, that cost us a leg. Our head doesn't quite seem to be okay, but you never truly know that, I suppose. Okay. Let's see. What can absolutely... Monster truck. Let's finish this off loud and proud. Big and mean. Or just floaty and bouncy. I mean, I guess it's pretty cool that I parked on top of the pyramid, though. But that's not a way to finish it. Ranger danger, you've never disappointed. Let's see how you do this time. Okay. Not that much danger, I suppose, but you know what? Acceptable for the most part. Thank you everybody for tuning into this episode of Turbo Dismount. Again, for those of you who have enjoyed the series, you're going to have to wait a bit longer for a while until you see this one come back. But I love playing this, and I love going through all these custom courses. We're going through a pretty quick rate, I'd say, actually. But that aside, I hope you all are ready for what comes later. Spooky Games October is officially among us, so Among Us isn't coming next. But I've got some exciting stuff planned starting tonight, or by the time this goes up. But thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed, please be sure to show your support. Absolutely demolish that like button. Go and subscribe already if you haven't as well. For those of you who watch my content and you haven't subscribed, I would greatly appreciate if you guys did. Check out my second channel in the description below because I don't just do games and stuff. I've got a bunch of other stuff that's going to be going on there very soon this month, at least I hope. And share this video with your friends. Spread the word that I'm here to entertain, make people laugh, whatnot. I don't know. Just spread the word that I'm here, please. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay gold, my friends, and bye!